Hi children, welcome to E-class. In the previous class, we were discussed about introduction about the rain, how the rain forms, or the indication of the rain we get from the clouds. Before that, it should be formation of the clouds. Then it has to become in the dark in color. And also, we were discussed about sources of the water. So main sources are already we said about the salt water we get from the sea source. Next one, river banks or the lake or pond or groundwater, underground water. So these all things we were discussed. Now we are going to know about the forms of the water. So children, this one I would like to say about in a previous class already we were discussed formation of the matter. Do you remember matter lesson? So the matter lesson, just to recall arrangement of the objects. For example, this is a solid. The molecules are tightly packed. The molecules are tightly packed. See how the molecules are very tightly packed. Am I clear, children? Do you remember? We were discussed in the fifth class, also fourth class also. So these molecules are tightly packed. That's why it will be become a little very hard. Whereas the liquid form. So we are going to only discuss about the water only. So liquid form. See, this is a loosely packed. See, the molecules are loosely packed. Am I clear? So that's where it can be flexible is there. Next one is the gaseous form. Gaseous form. So here we can say loosely packed, or we can say freely packed. See children, arrangement of the molecules compared to gaseous form to liquid, liquid to solid. At the same time, we can see solid to liquid, liquid to gaseous form. Am I clear? So, as per this rule, as per this formula, we have to apply here also. So, water also presented in the three states. That is a solid form like ice. Liquid form, it's a in the what we call fluids. And next one is the gaseous form. It is a vapor or gas formation. Am I clear? So children, we need some temperature. We need some temperature is required for changing of the state, one state to another state. Understand? Not a state means it's not a like a NASA. So changing of the position of the object. So it needs a required temperature. For example, solid form, I want to change it into liquid form. So temperature is a very important. And liquid form I want to change into gaseous form. Again I need temperature. But children, once you see a reverse, a gaseous form I want to changing into liquid form, I have to cool it. Understand? Again liquid form I want to change into solid form. Again making cool. The temperature should be come down, but whereas here the temperature has to be go up. Am I clear? So when you are giving the more temperature, solid is changing into liquid form, liquid is changing into gaseous form while we are applying the temperature. But whereas in the gaseous form is changing into liquid form, we need a cool. It has to come down of the temperature, low down. Liquid form is again when you cool it, it is a solid form. Children, where we can see this kind of the arrangements or in our daily life, where we can see. Children, once all of you remember, how many of you are having the refrigerators? Can you put up your hands? How many are you having? Yes, the maximum, most of the children are having the refrigerator. See, in the refrigerator, whatever it may be, we have to keep in the refrigerator inside of the fridge. So there is a one more refrigerator is there. So that is a only we can keep the ice or non-veg material, or if anything like very we need the more ice formation. So there we can form some of the ice molecules or ice cubes are presented because of we are keeping that into cool. Understand? So that is the about ice we are making into cool. So before that, children, we know when your mother or your elder sisters or somebody, when they wash the clothes, do you imagine will they keep under shade of the places? Have you observed like that? We never seen, because most probably we keep under the sunshine, or sometimes our parent used to say go up the terrace and just hang the clothes. Why do? There are two benefits are there. One is water should be get from the outside, from the clothes. So this water is absorbing from the atmosphere air, and also sunshine also it is taking the water. So after half an hour or 1 hour you see there is no water in the clothes, it's becoming dry up. That is one example. And another example is when your mother cooks some rice or some especially steam boiling of some any vegetables or whatever it may be. So there are some gas formation will come up. Do you observe that? So you don't go alone. If your mother is there, just ask your mother, can you show me, mother, is it like a formation of the gases come up? So when your mother just keep the lid on the gases form, there are some water molecules appears under the lid. So that is called gases form, because we are giving a temperature. Am I clear? So this is called gases form only.
Start.
Okay, so whatever it may be, as per I said before and everything, we need a science. Science is very important with observation after practical. Am I clear? So first we have to observe, and practical also very important. Without proof, without scientific phenomena, we can't say simply like histories, some hypothetically, we can't say science. So whatever it may be, we should know that there is a phenomena is there. It is really proved by the scientifically. So children, let's see evaporation. What is this evaporation? The process of water changing into water vapor is called evaporation. Once again I say, the process of water changing into water vapor is called evaporation. Do you have any understanding regarding to this sentence? Just observe very clearly. Children, the thing here, water. water. Water is a liquid form. Am I clear? Water is a liquid form. Water vapor. So this is a gaseous form. Understand? So this is a liquid form is changing into gaseous form. Already we were discussed about the formation of the water, states of the water. When the water is giving the some temperature, it is a changing from one state to another state. Like when the solid water is giving some temperature, it is changing into liquid form. The same thing, the phenomena or method will apply here also. So water. Water is in a liquid form. So liquid is changing into gases. This is called evaporation due to the temperature. See, we can't give for the sea water or river water or lake or pond everywhere the temperature we can't supply because use warmth is required. So only the source is a sun. So sun is very important not only for the day and night, also it is a evaporating of the water due to this phenomena only. So not God is sending from up. Am I clear? So when your parents or grandmother or grandparents, they used to say God is sending some water from up. Is it? So we know the knowledge persons. So we are the well educated persons. We should know that water is going from here onwards, from our earth. So sources are different. One of the child get down. Sir, you are saying water is going up and coming down. But when I see the water is tasteless. But you are saying, sir, 98% of the sea water only evaporating. Am I clear? So why we not get the salt water? So children, that is a very important question. I have to clarify. So water only evaporate, not minerals. Minerals will be remain down. Only water only evaporate. Am I clear? So because of this minerals remain down and water is evaporate. That's why we'll get the tasteless of the water. So next we are going to know about water cycle. That is very important. So let's see you children.